Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Suhanullah Mafkoor, ESL instructor and also a lecturer here at Rohan University, and I've been teaching here for 2 years. And special thanks to the administration of Rohan University to suffer the travail and struggle for all the people and students here in Afghanistan. And I'm very happy to be here with you, dear students. Today I am here and first semester of economic faculty and first semester class. Okay guys, today we are going to talk about the parts of speech. What are parts of speech? Orally, first I'm going to give you a little bit information about parts of speech. What are parts of speech? Parts of speech, when we are talking, each words when we say through by our mouth, so they are called parts of speech. Each words. Parts of speech, what is the definition of parts of speech? Parts of speech, the division of sentence into several parts according to their grammatical functions are called parts of speech. Or the basic words of language are called also parts of speech. Or the third one definition is the words which are divided into 8 parts. I told this definitions at the end. The words which are divided into 8 parts according to their functions are called parts of speech. What are parts of speech? When we are talking, each words which we say through our mouth, they are called parts of speech. There are 8 types of parts of speech. There are 8 types of parts of speech, types of parts of speech. The parts of speech there are 8 types of parts of speech. Like the first one is noun, pronoun, and etc. I wrote here in the slides. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So they are called parts of speech. So they are the types of parts of speech. Parts of speech, these 8 parts of speech or 8 parts of the speech are divided into 2 classes then. After the types, we have the classifications or the classes of parts of speech. So in other words, we can say open elements and closed elements, or open class and closed class. The classification is classes of parts of speech. Parts of speech are divided into 2 classes. The first one is open class and the second one is closed class. In open class, what do we have? And closed class, what do we have? Open class or open elements of parts of speech are those parts of speech or are those elements which accept addition or deduction. Both of them are. They can accept like the addition and deduction. Like I wrote this. Open elements of parts of speech are those elements which accept addition or deduction. They are 4 in numbers, like verb, noun, verb, adverb, adjective. They are open elements. They accept addition or deduction on their own. Like in present we have verb, present. Present we have, this is a verb, present. But when you want to change this into a noun, so you can. Like how I add something here, presentation, presentation. I add here something to the present word, so this is called parts of speech. Open elements of parts of speech. So it accepts what? Ation. Ation is the next. It is the suffix, not the prefix. It is the suffix which we add to the word present. And the second one is judge. Judge is also a verb. And we can also use this as a noun. Like we can use for somebody like a noun. Noun. No, leave it tense. I want to change this means that I want to add something else to the word judge. Like Judgment. I want to change this verb into noun. Judgment. Judgment. I add here meant. Meant. So it also accepted meant. Judge is a verb written here. We use the judge as a verb, not as a noun like a person's. Judge is a verb and it can be changed into meant, judgment. So this is also called judgment. The third one is beautiful. Beautiful is also adjective. We can also say this word, this adjective, for example, she is a beautiful girl. So I want to add something else to the word beautiful, beautifully. So when I added ly to the end of the adjective, so the adjective changed into adverb. So beautifully, careful, carefully. So it accepts something else, like a noun can be changed into a verb, and verb can be changed into a noun, and also adjective can be changed into a verb, and a verb can be changed also into, like pretend that I'm gonna give you some next example, beautifully. I want to produce something else from the word beautifully. So I want, beautifully. I want to remove ly from the adverb. So it can be changed into adjective, like beautiful. So that is itself adjective. Means adverb can be changed into adjective. So I remove here ly from the adverb, so it can be changed into adjective. And the second one is close clause. Close elements or close clause. And close elements of parts of speech, what do we have? We have 4: pronoun, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. Close elements of parts of speech are those elements which don't accept addition and deduction. Pasada istilah da haga elements di ya haga class di چې په دې کې دغه کوم عناصر دي دا نه اضافه والی قبلي او نه کمښت قبلي. For example, we have also these 4. Like n is a preposition, it is not changed. Wow is an interjection, it also can't be changed. He is a pronoun, it also cannot be changed. And ent is also a conjunction, it is also cannot be changed. So in closed elements we add something else, and also we remove from the elements of open elements of words of speech. But in closed we cannot add and we cannot remove something. Okay, so one by one we have to describe all the parts of speech, like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, and etc. The first one is noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of everything. We have simply this definition. But the standard definition is for a noun. What is noun? The naming word is called noun. Or the second definition is the meaning word is called noun. For all the time when there pretend that you create something but it doesn't have a name. Like I create this marker. Pretend that this is not the real name. Just it doesn't have name, but I want to say something for this, to name all the people in all over the countries, in all over the world. But what do I call it? Pretend this is the noun marker which name this object, which names this object. The marker is the name and it names this marker. So this is called the marker, it is name. So the naming word is marker, which comes and name them, which comes and names these things or this object. So the naming word is called noun, or the meaning word is called noun. For all the time when you use something else and it gives a clear meaning, so it is called a noun. If it is an adjective, like beautiful, beautiful is also a noun. Like marker, marker is a noun. Airplane, sky, class, classroom, marker, duster, and etc. The naming word is called noun or the meaning word. Both of them have got the same meaning, I think. It's called noun. Like Ali, Ahmad, Kabul, car, Kate, kilograms, and goodness, and etc. After this, we have the roots of noun. Noun has 4 roots. Let's see. Roots of noun. Noun has 4 roots. Number 1, types of noun. Number 2, genders of noun. Number 3, cases of noun. And the 4th number is what? Numbers of noun. What do we have in types? What do we have in gender and cases and also in numbers? One by one we have to describe this one. Types of noun. First we have to come to the types of noun and we have to explain types of noun. There are many people say something else different about the types of noun. They say there are 7. Many people say there are 8 types and etc. But I brought here some types of nouns which are proper nouns, common nouns, compound nouns, collective noun, material, abstract, and concrete nouns. Let's describe this. The first one is common noun. Common nouns. Common nouns are those nouns which refer to common persons, places, things, and etc. Like a boy, a man, a girl, country, province, district, and etc. These nouns are called common nouns. But we don't have any specific noun for this, so this is called a common noun. Like boy, we can also say this is a boy, this is a boy, also this is a boy, 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 and also this is a country. The neighbor countries like Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan, and many more we have, and all over the world. But all these countries, but what are the proper nouns? But when we specify the countries, provinces, districts, and students, and boys and girls, and etc., so they are called proper nouns. Common nouns are those nouns which refer to common persons, things, places, and etc. Like boy, girl, man, phone, country, etc. Proper noun. I name all the common nouns, means I give them specific noun. I want to give their proper names. So are those nouns which refer to proper persons, places, things, and etc. دا د هماغه تعریف برعکس کیږي خو نه به وایو خو لکه مطلب د هغې دپاره یو بیل ځانګړي نومونه موږ تاسو ورته پیدا کوو. Like Afghanistan, this is also country. Country is the common noun, but I give to this country the name Afghanistan. I give what? Afghanistan. I am a boy, you are also a boy. I am Subhanallah, and you are Muzammil. Your name is Muzammil, but both we are boys. Boys are our common nouns. But my specific and proper name is Subhanallah, and your name, proper name is Muzammil. So Muzammil and Subhanallah are proper nouns for us. Telephone, telephone or phone or mobile, leave it. Mobile, mobile or telephone is a common noun. But when I want to specify the phone, so I want to give the name, the specific name to the phone, like iPhone, Galaxy, Samsung, and etc. Okay? Marker. Marker is a common noun. But what is the proper noun? Piano, whiteboard marker, snowman, dollar, and etc. All these nouns are proper nouns. For each common nouns, we have proper noun. Okay, like to the girl. Girl, girl, girl. All of the students, if they are girl or female, so we can call the proper noun for them. Girl. Girl is a common noun for the students. But when we want to specify it, when we want to give a proper noun to them, like Layla, Shabnam, Fatima, Kalsum, and etc. All these nouns are their proper nouns. Okay? Proper nouns like Ali, we use for a boy. Layla for a girl. Ghulam for a man. Pretend we use this for common noun. Ashna, pretend I make this and I brought this noun for the telephone. We have a kind of telephone like Ashna. Ashna mobile number mobile. And Afghanistan we use for country like Kabul. Kabul is also province, Nangarhar is also province. So we can call all these provinces. But what is the proper noun for this province and for that province? We use for this province Nangarhar, and for Kabul is Kabul. The third one is compound nouns. What are compound nouns? Compound, from its name, it seems it should be made or composed of two words, two or more than two words. Compound nouns are those nouns which are made of one or more than two or more than two words, are those nouns which are made or composed of two or more than two words. Like compound noun, bus driver. Bus driver. This is a simple noun. Bus driver. Bus driver is a noun, but we use this noun for just one person. Like Ali. Who is Ali? Ali is a bus driver. We can use this noun for just one person. And it is composed of two words. The first number is bus and the second one is driver. Both of them have got the same meaning, just simple, just one driver. Okay? So we can call this compound noun. Okay? It is composed of two words. But we have different types of compound nouns and shapes of compound nouns. The first word of compound noun functions as an adjective. Okay? Like, hey, driver came. Hey, driver came. Which driver? Bus driver. The word bus described the driver. So this is called descriptive noun. Or this noun functions as an adjective. Okay? But after that we have three types of compound noun, like open compound nouns, closed compound nouns, and hyphenated compound nouns. Open compound nouns are those nouns which can be written as two words. Like the first one means there should be space and separate. The nouns can be separated between themselves. Like bus and driver. There is space between two nouns. And closed compound nouns are those nouns which can be written as one word. Okay? Like homework, classmate. There isn't any space between these two words, home and work. It can be written as two words. As one word. And the third one is, this is the first one in types, and this is the second, and the third one is hyphenated compound nouns, are those nouns which contains hyphen between them. Like brother-in-law, brother-in-law. Brother, hyphen, preposition, hyphen once again, and law. So we have hyphen between them. So they are called hyphenated compound nouns. Okay? So these words, the types of compound nouns. So now if you have any kind of questions beyond my topic, so you can ask. Do you have any questions? You don't have any kind of questions? Okay, thank you once again that you paid your great attention to me, and special thanks to all of you. Thank you.